Good morning, 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 everyone. How's everyone doing today, man? Hopefully, you guys are all doing good. Hopefully, you guys are all doing great. Hopefully, you guys are all doing spectacular. um, what are we looking at today? We're looking at Nasdaq. We're looking at Nasdaq today, and gold, both. Um, all right, guys. First thing in the stream, our setup looks like it's about to happen right now. First of all, hi, how's everyone doing? Second of all, let's just mark out what I'm looking at right now. So we can see swing low here got raided, chat. Boom. So we have our raid. And then we have a swing high here that got raided. So we have our market structure shift. So we have a raid and we have a market structure shift. The last thing we wait for is a return on a fair value gap. And then we can target all of this liquidity above. This is a lot of liquidity that we can just target. The price, we just probably just want to zippity and take it over. So that's currently what we're just pretty much waiting for. Let's open our trading platform. No, how do you sleep with that alarm beeping? I don't sleep. I've been sleeping with my family mostly, but even if I do sleep, it doesn't really affect me because I don't know. It reminds me of the good old days. Reminds me when we couldn't afford batteries to change on the smoke alarm, so it keeps me in check. Chat, close up. Can everyone hear the boy? Can everyone hear me? Can you make your chat screen bigger? What does that mean? Can I make my chat screen bigger? What does that mean? You guys can all hear me loud and clear? All right, so I'm just hoping and waiting for some type of closure above this zone. Um, I want Nasdaq to give us a pretty good entry. That's what I'm pretty much waiting for. And that was good, Hadi. Good morning, Hadi. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Jeffrey. Remember that one time some guy went on a live stream and some guy's like, I hope all is good. He started getting me like, what do you mean I hope all is good? What do you mean I hope all is good? Don't forget about Forex trader. Guys, NASDAQ is on Forex and it's on. I think it's going to go up. It's going to attack all this liquidity chat. It's going to attack this. It's going to attack this. I told you. Market chases liquidity chat. One minute left. Let's go. Showing very strong signs of bullishness. See the market chart, it just chases liquidity. That's all it does, chat. It just chases liquidity. Back and forth, back and forth. I like this. I like this. That's it's pretty clear though. Joined here. Yeah, I see. Again, guys, I told you market chases liquidity. That's all it chases. Wherever there's more liquidity, that's where price wants to go. Um, my NQ1 chart and trading was delayed. Look, guys, if you have any questions in the chat, ask in the chat, guys. If you have any questions, ask. If your NQ is delayed, do not trade NQ. Trade NAS 100 USD. You know what I'm saying? On the 5 minute, we officially completed the bullish RMR. Now price might just fly. Okay, ask your questions, guys. Ask your questions. Bless you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Appreciate the blessings, guys. يرحمك الله يحنيمك الله. Well, we can target previous London session high before this one. Yo, if everyone can hear me, say what's up. If everyone can hear me. Yo, bro, Hamuzi, Jamie asked, "Are you want to his best friend? I want in his life." Wait, rephrase that question. I don't get it. Guys, didn't I say that all this liquidity would be taken out? You guys can barely see me. Is this better? Is that better? Everyone, leave a like on the stream right now, chat. Leave a like on the stream. Yeah, Sabby. I'm gonna call it out in the signal group today. See how he just sweeps that liquidity, guys? See that little reaction in price right after sweeping that high? I find that interesting. Everyone, like up the stream right now, guys. Like up the stream chat. Like up the stream. Like up the stream. Yo, guys, who's ready for some live trades, guys? Who's excited? Be honest. Who's excited, guys? Who's excited, chat? Chat, who's excited for some live trading? If you're excited, leave a like on the stream. Let me see. Let me see who's geeked up about this. Let me see who's liking the stream, guys. Like up the stream, guys. Come on. Get more likes in this. Everyone, if you guys want to be a part of the giveaway, I got to see some more likes. Come on. You guys want to be a part of that giveaway, guys? We have $40,000 in accounts. You guys want to be a part of that giveaway? Come on. Come on, chat. You want to be a part of that giveaway or what, chat? A smooth criminal. Let's get Rafi. Morning, it's Anthony. What's good, Anthony? Anthony, I seen your message about the one-on-one, about that for the Discord and the one-on-one. I'm gonna get to you. Smooth operator. What is my bias on Bitcoin? Let's see. With Bitcoin. Let's go to if you want a bigger time frame, big Hamuzi time frame. Okay. So Bitcoin's been going down. How much did it drop? Let's see. Bitcoin dropped a lot. So it's in a bearish. It has bearish structure. So Bitcoin just has bearish structure right now. Same thing with Ethereum, probably. Yeah, so there's a lot of bearish structure in the market. It's going into a sell model. So, if I'm Bitcoin, price wants to go down eventually. So we're in a bear market right now. If we look at gold chat, what do we have here? Swing low here got rated. Boom, it got rated. Swing high here got rated. Boom, it got rated. What do we call that? We call that a market structure shift, right? Market structure shift. Like that causes it leaves behind a what? Leaves behind a fair value gap. Okay, so we have 1 minute for this fair value gap to close. So we'll add an alert in this area. While we look at NASDAQ, we go back to NASDAQ is just flying, bro. From what we said in the morning till now, it's just not going up. It just stays going up. Okay, gold. I just got an alert for gold. We have we filled this in the 5 minute. Yeah, guys, everyone hit that like button, guys. If you guys want this fire trader now, eyes on gold, eyes on gold, eyes on gold. We're gonna look at silver as its correlated pair. We have an SMT right here. Okay, guys. Once we close above this, we can go for sells. I mean, sorry, buys for gold. Shoot. Guys, there's a lot of volume in the market, so like enter like MNQ gold or like, you know, like make sure you guys know how much you're risking. Don't just blindly enter because you can lose a lot. There's a lot of volatility in the market, especially since it's FOMC week. So be wary of that and just risk accordingly. Okay, chat? Because your size might be bigger, so you might have to enter a little bit smaller lot sizes or smaller contracts or go to MNQ, you know? Oh, we have a SMT. Okay. You ready, guys? Eyes on NASDAQ. I mean, oh my gosh, eyes on gold. Guys, if I speak, just look at my screen. I keep like butchering up the two. Okay, get ready, guys. If we close above this with a strong looking candle and makes a close range liquidity here, it'll be nice. We did not get a strong candle above yet, so I'm gonna wait for another closure. And I want that other closure to be high up here. So I'm waiting for that. I'm taking the conservative way. because I need something called close range liquidity. Even though for some people it might be like, oh, this is the strategy. Da, da, da. This is my strategy. I know how my strategy works. Okay, I need to have a CLRQ. CRLQ. You have a CRLQ. What's a CRLQ? You have a close range liquidity point. All right. So some people may enter this as a inversion fair value gap, and they would have taken a loss right here. Like you have to study this properly, chat. You have to. Come on, guys, like up the stream, chat. I just saved us from a loss, bro. W's in the chat. Like up the stream. Like up the stream. Come on. Like up the stream, chat. I just saved us a loss because I'm waiting for an A+ setup. So we gotta like up the stream now. Come on, everyone. Also, when I do a giveaway, I'm gonna be seeing who's the most active in the comments, who's been engaging, and all that stuff. I have asked. Wait, who's Jamie? Why didn't you enter when you disrespected the British provider? Because there's no close range liquidity. The distance between where this, it's not close at all. I want to see how we close now. Okay, if we close above here, then we can potentially get our entry. If you get a closure around this area, put our stop loss there. HMSS right here. If you know, you know. I hope it doesn't fly up and take out this liquidity before. Okay. Eyes, eyes, eyes. Eyes. No, no. It took out my close range. No. At least don't take this out, please. And it took this out. Damn, man. It took out all my close range. I wanted to get a little sneaky buy in there. Everything's going up. Guys, what's one thing you're thankful for in life? Chat, bro. While we're looking at gold, there was a NASDAQ setup right here. Wake up, chat. You crazy chat. We were waiting for any type of fair value gap to get filled. And then it was this one, chat. You guys got to wake up, chat. Come on. I'm looking at gold. You guys got to be looking at NASDAQ. We're a team. Listen, chat. If I'm looking at gold, you guys got to be looking at NASDAQ at least. No, I don't care about SPY. SPY comes with NASDAQ. Come on, guys. Got to lock in. Also, guys, don't just look to copy my trading, please. If you're going to come here, can you come here and learn? Can you guys come here and learn, please? Some of you guys are going to watch, look, see, oh, wow, entertaining, sit down, da-da-da. Bro, learn, bro. Some of you guys have been doing this for a long time, bro, and I've given you, like, opportunities to learn. Can you guys learn? This is one of the best skills in the world, guys. And with combined brains, look, guys, I'm only one brain. You know what I'm saying? Imagine this with multiple brains. You know what I'm trying to say, chat? So learn the skill, guys. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt to learn. It's not difficult. If I can do it, someone that hasn't been the best in school, bro, come on, guys. You guys can do it, bro. You guys can definitely do it, bro. How can you buy on Bitcoin when Bitcoin is so bearish right now? Bitcoin is going to like it's going down and down and down, and I'm gonna invest like. But what is your reply to the people who say trading is gambling? As I am right now in struggling phase, what should I say to them? Don't say nothing to them. Why are you opening your mouth? Why are you trying to convince someone that's not yourself, right? Why you shouldn't have a conversation with anyone about your careers and what it is you want to do. So just keep things private in your life. You don't want to get evil eye anyways, all right? So there's no need for you to tell these people, oh, I do this, I'm gonna do this, I want to do that. Keep it private, you know? Keep it private. Guys, don't spam also. If you're gonna have questions, use the chat to ask questions. Use the chat. Don't spam the same thing over and over, guys. Come on. Because if someone sees something on NASDAQ and they're trying to text me, I won't be able to see anything. Chat. Swing low got rated. This is gonna be a very tight, risky one. Swing low got rated. Watch this. Swing high got rated. Left behind a fair value gap, a tiny one right here. But I'd like it to go to this swing low got rated, swing high got rated. I'll love for it to return to this one instead. That would be better. But then if we disrespect this one, oops, we disrespect. That's the opposite of bearish fair value. Yeah. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Swing high got raided. Boom. Swing low got raided. Boom. Leg that caused the market structure shift. Fair value gap. Fair value gap. So let's see if we can disrespect. If we get another 5-minute bearish RMR here, swing high gets raised, swing low gets hit, and target all, and then target these equal lows, it'll be a monster trade, chat. But that's like something that'll happen later on. If I wasn't trading, I'd probably be homeless. Nah, if I wasn't trading, I would like, I don't know. Exactly, Aqua Army. Is this better? Is this better? Huh? Is this better? Is this still small? Is this still small for you? Yeah, I think it wants those equal lows, chat. If I was price, I'd go for at least this low right here. I'm already so close to it. Ah! looking good, guys. This is looking really good. It's looking really good. It's looking really good. Guys, don't spam in the chat, guys. Be normal. Text normally. Everyone, like up the stream right now, chat. Like up the stream. If you guys want to be a part of any type of giveaway, like up the stream, guys. Like it up, like it up, like it up. Like up the stream, chat. Someone did research. How long does it take to get a Canadian passport if you lost yours? Someone do quick research. Whoa! I don't know about that. I have a clear market structure shift. That sounds like whoa. Eyes on Nasdaq, chat. Let's see if we can come back to this 5-minute. Oh, we already filled this 15-minute though. Let's see if we can get up. Let's see. Someone check Nasdaq. See if we get a bearish fair value gap. You know why this is such a nice gold looking type of setup? Is based off of the fact that we're reacting off of this hourly um, bearish RMR, and then the 5 minute escaped and closed outside of it, right? So I think this is what gives this setup a bit more of that. Oh, this is good looking type of vibes. I would expect this to get disrespected. Um, okay, chat. Wake up. It's the first of the month. The reason why this is awkward setup because there's a bullish RMR and a bearish RMR, but I want to see if we can. Come on, make it bullish gap. Make it bullish. Okay, we made a bearish fair value gap while on this then. So does that mean? See, I don't like that. Eyes on Nasdaq. I don't usually enter 30 seconds on gold. But because we're kind of escaping the hourly and we're making closer, I might enter this on gold. All right, guys, eyes on Nasdaq. Oof, bro. I mean, eyes on gold. Technically, this is supposed to be the entry, but I'm not going to take this trade. This is technically supposed to be the entry, but I don't. Usually, the 30 seconds I'm on, I do that on Nasdaq. I don't do it on gold. So that was supposed to be the entry on closure. I'm okay if this. I'm fine. It's one of those ones you just kind of got to accept it. Hard thing to swallow, but it's almost like caught it with just small risk. Oh, I think, let's see if it goes to this low right here. Let's swing low down there. And it does. Oh, it's okay, guys. At least you know my setup works. At least you know my setup works. But again, guys, don't worry. I know I have the best setup in the world. How many times have we took W's live? Multiple times we took W's live. So even though this is the 30-second time frame, I know a lot of people don't even have the 30-second time frame. So you guys can even trade this, So if I go to gold on the 1 minute, you're like, where's the opposite for Viga? I can't find it. But if we go to the 30 seconds, then you can see the setup. But the thing is, a lot of you guys don't have the 30 seconds. A lot of you guys don't have that. So it's fine. Don't worry. Plus, I don't even look at the 30 seconds on gold. I look on Nasdaq because I feel like Nasdaq has more of that volume for me to kind of just look at Nasdaq with. Um, so it's fine. Uh, and we'll pretty much look for more setups. 10:42. We got like 20 minutes left. Let's see if we can get something going. If we do, excellent. If we don't, that's fine. And yeah, you didn't trade Nasdaq today? Yeah, I was trying to trade Nasdaq, um, but there's no setup for me to kind of trade Nasdaq. That's the only thing. The reason why the gold one was really good was because of the hourly bearish RMR combined with the 5-minute shift in structure slash bearish RMR. So honestly, with those two things, if I just had a bullish fair value gap right here, that would have been perfect. But I kind of cheated. I went to 30-second to like manipulate one for myself. Yeah, gold is a bit more clean. Gold, they're both moving ugly, but I'll say gold is the more cleaner one between the two. Ah. uh, I want to ask you something. When are you going back to the mentorship? I don't know. How many of you guys want me to reopen the mentorship? How many of you guys like group mentorships versus how many of you guys like one-on-one mentorship? What do you guys prefer? You guys like group mentorship or do you guys like pure one-on-one mentorship? Like just me and you. What do you guys like? What do you guys prefer? One-on-one, right? Group. Holy shit. Uh, uh. Okay, it's looking good. It's looking good. Now we have a 5-minute bearish armor shift in structure. Eyes on Nasdaq. Well, you see, Nasdaq had a switch in structure, so Nasdaq made a bearish RMR with an A plus raid. So we have a bearish RMR, which means if we were to enter, we have to target the bearish for value gap. 15-minute is bullish. There's nothing bearish on the 15-minute. Okay, eyes on Nasdaq, everyone. I feel like it's gonna disrespect this 15 minute even because we have a shift in structure on the 1 minute for the guys that told me look for buys, but we'll see. We'll see what the market wants to do. What a setup this would have been, man. Holy smokes. Imagine targeting those relative equal lows too. What would that be? What's the R? 1 to 7? Disgusting numbers. Disgusting numbers. 500, 1,000, 500, 2,000. 500, 1,000, 1,500. All good. Can't win them all, but the win rate is crazy. The win rate is crazy, bro. So I don't care if we miss any type of trades. I don't care. The win rate is crazy. I knew it. You see that? How did I know? Like, it may even rip through all this fair value gap. It's because it shifted structure on the 5 minute. I'm telling you. So on the 5 minute, there's an MSS, then it's probably gonna go to the second fair value gap and disrespect the first one. What did I say? When there's a market structure shift on the 5-minute, I don't expect this 15-minute to hold. Holy, the market is horrible. Allahu Akbar. Chat, this would have been a nasty, dirty trade, bro. Holy, it's one of them ones. It is my setup, but it's on the 30 seconds. So I have to accept it. 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 I gotta accept this one, chat. You know, there's some things in life you gotta accept, and this is one of it. You know, this is one of it. Oh, yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, does Hamuzi still not have the best setup in the world? Yes or no, chat? Does Hamuzi not have the best trading strategy in the whole world? Guys, what's our win rate on live stream? Guys, did we take a W on live stream on Friday? Our last live stream? Did we take a W? Yes or no? Did we take a W in our last live stream? The last live stream on YouTube. What is our win rate on live stream? What's our win rate looking like on live stream? I think our win rate is pretty high, right? And like I said, because we had that shift in structure on NQ, once you learn structure, everything changes, chat. Like I said, I felt like this, once we shifted structure on the 5-minute, I felt like this 15-minute wouldn't be respected anymore. It's gonna go for the next one. Our win rate is insane, bro. And I think we are the best in the world. And how many of you guys also want to join the group where I send out all the signals for my trades on Telegram live? Every single trade, boom. We avoid losses together, just like today. How many of you guys want? How many of you guys want to join that? How many of you guys want a discount for that? I can open like 5 more spots for you guys if people want to join. And the 5 people that join, I can give you guys all a discount code. How many of you guys are down? Let me give you guys a huge discount code. Who's down? Let me see who's down to join in. Who wants the discount code? Only for 6 people. I'll make it 6 people. So only for 6 people, you guys can join the group where I send out all the trades live every day, 5 days a week. You know, and I'm going to be doing Asia session too, guys. Imagine Asia session and New York session combined. All right. So I'm going to open 6 spots only, just 6 spots just today. And yeah, that's it. So only 6 of you guys can join. And then, yeah, man, I'm just going to do 6 spots. That's it. So everyone get ready. I'm about to send the link right now in the chat. And again, guys, I'm going to give you guys the discount code. I'm going to tell you guys ahead of time what the discount code is going to be. The discount code is going to be Hamuzi20. All right. So let me just pop in that code real quick. Only 6 people. And then I'm going to make it so no more people can join. 3, 2, 1. Boom. I just dropped the link right now. Just opened it. I just dropped the link. There it is. Now use discount code Hamuzi20. How does it look like? It looks like this. Hamuzi20. Use that as the discount code. And you guys are going to get 20% off for life. 25% off for life. All right, guys. Only 6 of you guys can join. Oh, already someone joined? That was quick. I don't know how you're able to type everything in that quick. And put the discount code and everything. Damn, some of you guys are quick, bro. Oh, David just joined as well. David Lara just joined. So 2 people already joined. Now we have 4 more spots left. Damn, quick, bro. You guys are quick. What the heck? You guys are serious. You guys want that Asia session live trading too, eh? You guys want that New York session, Asia session? Okay, Johnny joined too. Damn, okay. Damn, only 3 more spots left. I just dropped the link for you guys just in case. I know. Asia plus New York equals millionaires. I swear to God. I'm literally fine tuning Asia session. I'm getting like the craziest lineup. It's called autofill. I didn't know. Oh, someone else joined. Only 2 more spots left. And I'm going to close the group for maybe another like 2 weeks or something. Remember, if you want to take advantage of New York session and Asia session, then do what I told you to do, guys. Use this discount code at Hamuzi20. Oh, 1 more spot left. Who's going to be the last person to join? Oh, FTZ for Sendez. It's my bad. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. For Sendez. Joined up. Someone said eyes on NASDAQ. Let me check. I told you guys, if we did that market structure shift, we're going to fill this fair value gap. Let's see gold. I don't think I can do discount for the mentorship because the mentorship is what will make you multi-millionaires. You know what I'm saying? The mentorship is what will make you guys at least, if not millionaires, at least enough to cover like a lot of expenses in your life. A lot of expenses in your life. Like a lot. Like a lot. Like if I want to go courtside again, I'll go courtside again. I'll go courtside every day of the week. I'll go every game that there is, I'll go courtside and I'll still be good. How much are you worth? Alhamdulillah, decent amount. Yeah, I don't know why I was just flexing there for a second. I don't know what I just did. I gotta chill out. And the last person that joined the group, Al Asmar. He used the discount code as well. Oh, I thought I had one. Oh, that was one more. Okay. And Dave Liberto. Oh shoot, did I put 6 or did I put 10? I thought I made it 6. So I guess there's another 2 more spots left. Lucky you guys. Hamuzi, can you suggest me a broker so I can trade with you? Why don't you just trade funded accounts? Why don't you just trade funded accounts? Funded accounts are the way to go. Trade funded accounts. You know what I'm saying? Holy smoky, bro. I know why it's going down, chat. Listen to me why it's going down. I don't care. I'll tell you why it's going down. I need everyone to listen to. Say that you hear me right now. If you guys can all hear me. Say that you're listening right now. Let me explain why it went down. More. Get your notes up. Actually, I'm dead serious, guys. Get your notes up. Yo, bro, if I'm gonna be teaching you guys this one thing for free, yo, you guys better like message me or some shit, bro. This is one thing, okay? Listen, I'm gonna explain to you guys. Alex, okay, this is gonna make sense for you, Alex, because you're in my one-on-one. It's gonna make sense to you. If you're my one-on-one, it's gonna make sense to you. This is why it dropped. I just needed my 1-minute entry, but instead give me a 30-second ones, okay? Let me tell you why. On the hourly time frame, we had what? A swing high here got what, chat? Swing high got what? Swing high got what, chat? Swing high got what? Swing high got rated. Okay, chat? After a swing high got rated, a swing low got rated. We had a type 2 market structure shift on the 1 hour. Okay? Swing high got rated. Then a swing low got rated. The leg that caused the market structure shift left a bearish fair value gap on the hourly time frame. Okay, chat? So we have our market structure shift here. Okay? The leg that caused it left behind a gap. There's 2 gaps. You do whichever one it taps into first. Oh, it's this one. So, okay, cool. On the hourly, fine. That's nice. We have a bearish RMR. Okay, cool. What's happening on the 5-minute now? So we go to the 5-minute time frame. And then we look for the same thing. What happened? A swing high that got rated. Right here as well. Swing high here got rated. And then what else happened? And then we had what? We had a fudge, bro. We just missed the setup. swing low that got rated. So market structure shift, and we wait for it to tap into, like, for example, this gap right here. Okay, we didn't miss it. Don't worry. Maybe on the 30-second. Yeah, we didn't miss it. Don't worry. Okay. Then we wait for price to tap. This is the original one we wanted. We want price to go right here. Swing high got rated, swing low got rated. Now again, we have a market structure shift. Okay, chat? The leg that caused the market structure shift leaves behind a what? Leaves behind, let's delete this. Leaves behind another fair value gap inside the fair value. But at the same time, what happened, chat? It closed outside of the hourly. So once it tapped into this, we go to the 1 minute, it also gave us an SMT, bro. The only thing that this trade would have been amazing is if we had a bullish fair value gap that got disrespected, okay? If we had a bullish fair value gap that got disrespected, we could have had an entry. But instead, it only happened on the 30-second. So this is why I was a bit hesitant on this trade, because it was a 30-second entry. I don't ever enter 30 seconds on gold. In most cases, it's on the 1 minute, right? 30 seconds I do for NASDAQ. I've never done for gold, right? Then we have relative equal lows right about here. See these relative equal lows? Boom and boom. So that's a magnet for price, right? So then this was why it dropped nicely, or part of our setup and everything. Plus we had our SMT. SMTs are in price when we get that reversal. Does that make sense, guys? This is why our win rate is so freaking high. This is why our win rate is so high, guys. This is why our win rate is so high. Right. Also, guys, I thought I opened 6 spots for the group where I sent out. I realized I opened 10 spots, so 9 people already got. So one more spot available. The last person to get it, last 2 people was Watam Window 69 and Isam Bin. Isam Bin. So if you guys want to join the group where I send out all the trades, here's the link again. And then use code. No, I didn't enter this trade. I didn't enter this trade B2. This is something I said before this. I think you came late to the stream, but I told the people, I said, no, I'm not gonna enter this. I'm not gonna enter this. I don't know. Be honest, guys. Guys, be honest. What's our win rate on live stream, guys? Come on. I love when we have haters. I love when there's people that hate, but realistically, like I can do whatever the heck I want, because realistically, I'm sending all these trades live, and we're on point every time I send it out live. Like, be honest, chat. People are gonna be like, "Oh, you do this." You so. I have a question. Does Cristiano Ronaldo only make money from his football contract, or does Cristiano Ronaldo make money from his football contract and his underwear company and his perfume company and his watch company and all the other ads he's doing and other? But Ronaldo's making $1 billion. Why is he gonna accept so much money from other thing? Why? What's the point? He's making $1 billion. It doesn't make any sense. Ronaldo's a scammer. Ronaldo is a scammer because he's accepting money that's not just from his football contract, right? The same thing goes for this. I'm showing you guys how crazy we're doing it live. So why can't I be like Cristiano Ronaldo? Ronaldo's not only taking $1 billion, but still taking hundreds of millions, right? And I'm proving it, and he's the best in the world at what he does, and I'm one of the best in the world at what I do, right? Think about it that way, chat. Does that make sense, chat? Does that make more sense now that I broke it down that way? Especially since I have something to prove. That's why I do it live over and over and over. So, man, I mean, if you're hating on Ronaldo and you're hating on me, and shit, that means you're putting me at the same caliber as Ronaldo. So I appreciate that, actually. I very much appreciate that, my friend. Right? I've actually eyes on Nas. Go to my Instagram, bro. All my results are on my Instagram. Everything. Go to my Instagram. Go to my Instagram, buddy. We did not return to. Bro, he's a negative admirer. Hamuzi, don't mind anyone. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Eyes on Nasdaq, guys. I'm getting distracted, bro. You guys, you're getting me out of my A game, guys. When I entertain like BS. We have to exit the trade if it returns to this bearish fair value gap. By the way, if we get an entry before tapping into this. How many of you guys want to give away right now? How many of you guys want to give away real quick? Everyone hit that like button right now. Hit that like button. Danny, I recommend you joining the mentorship then. That's what you're worried about. Join the mentorship. Oh. And actually learn the skill. Guys, if you guys want to get an aqua funded account, use code AquaTV. You guys are gonna get a little discount code. And the link is in the description as well. Guys, I'm going to overtime with the trade right now. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This person has been active for a long time. So the first winner is this person. Nasakama Samakalala. You were the first winner. Just use that when you join the Discord in the description that you won, and that's your video proof. Show the timestamp. Someone says, do I still give out like the 200K account or funded accounts to the people in my group mentorship? No, I only do that for the people in my one-on-one mentorship, because then I know I can invest in them, and it's an investment. I'm not gonna lie. I see locked in. Locked in was pretty active the whole time. Locked in. You got yourself a 10K funded account. You've been pretty active. Aqua Army. You get yourself a 10K funded account. You've been pretty active as well. Um, But I really want to join your mentorship. Yeah, it's a one-on-one. It's a one-on-one mentorship. Um, do the duck race. What's a duck race? I'm new to the Signal group. Hey, bro, welcome. What do you need apart from a PC? Commitment. Commitment. Commitment is more important than anything. I care more about commitment than I care about a lot of things. Show me you're a committed person. I'll show you why I'll be the best mentor. No SFT. Is there a 1 minute fair value gap on like 900 or something? I don't see. Bro, I can't copy every day. No, charge it. Charge it. Charge it. I have a very old PC. That's why I'm asking, so I don't find myself wanting. No, it's fine, bro. You can literally all you need is your phone, to be honest. As long as you have a phone, that's how it happens. Everybody like up the stream, guys. Come on. Like up the stream chat. I need volleyball. I need volleyball and knee pads. Ah. My knees is crying from jiu-jitsu, bro. Bro, I love jiu-jitsu, bro. I actually love it. Yeah, Brazilian jiu-jitsu, bro. Bro, I've been doing it, bro. I know everything, bro. I gotta put the rash guard. When I like put the mount. I gotta mount. Put a little triangle lock. Overhand lock. Boom. Kick under the legs. No, the one-on-one is not that. That's the group mentorship. If you have just email. Look, if you have any questions about the one-on-one, just text me on Instagram or email me. Email me Hamuzi the goat6 at gmail.com. Shoot me an email, okay? Cartoonist Carbon. Or cartoonist. Drop your Instagram. Just drop your Instagram. Come on, chat, bro. Like, you could have blessed the boy. I know what you did. See, I was doing all that just so I could make an SMT for me. Good boy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We have volume imbalance. We're gonna wait for that to get disrespected. We're gonna have price shoot up. You guys ready? You guys ready, chat? Yeah, if you have any questions about the mentorship, just shoot me a message on Instagram. Bro, where's the fair value gap though? This is a volume imbalance. I don't even teach this. I guess it's this. Mind you, chat, we cannot fill back into this 15-minute or this 5-minute fair value gap. Remember that. So clean SMT, chat. Eyes on NASDAQ. Eyes on NASDAQ. The distance between here and here, let's get it's 23. That's a bit too much. So we wanted to close around this area. Okay, guys. Oh shit. Oh shit. Swing high got rated. Swing low got rated. Market structure shift. Like that caused it left behind a fair value gap. Tapped into that fair value gap. Price tapped into that fair value gap. Then we made a bullish opposite fair value gap right here. Price finally closed below it without taking out this low. And we have how many seconds left? 21 seconds left. And we still didn't take out this low. So this would be considered close range liquidity. Oh, such a tight thing on what price wants to do. It's one of those ones, bro. You have to stay out of it. This is such a nice setup for sales. In any world, in 7 seconds, I'd enter for sales in any other world. If it, like, in any other world, not now, I would enter for sales right here. Boom, on this closure. I'd enter for sales here. I'd put my stop loss, like, right about here. Not now. Remember, guys, I'm not telling you to enter. And I send this to my signal group. But, again, in a beautiful world, like, we have relative equal lows right here. Like, I don't see why price wouldn't want to attack that level, or at least take out that low, or just Anyways, in any other world, Hamuzi would take a W. 1-1, I think 1-1 would have already been hit. Yeah, 1-1 definitely got hit long ago, right there. So 1-1 would have been done for. Again, I don't care too much because I know my strategy is just so good. And because my strategy is so freaking good, imagine Hamuzi doesn't even have this type of FOMO. You know what I'm saying? Right? Imagine. Like, that's how good I know my strategy is. Like, that's how good my strategy is. Does that make sense, chat? Everyone's texting me 1-1 smashed. Dope. I think 1-2 as well. Yeah, 1-2 smashed as well. Again, guys, my strategy is so good that setups can happen day in and day out, day in and day out. And guess what? Guess what? Guess what? It does not affect me because I know I have a strategy that's going to repeat itself. You know what I'm saying? I know I have a strategy that's going to repeat itself. You get what I'm saying, chat? Everyone know what I'm saying? Like, my strategy is so good. Let me show you something real quick. My strategy is so good. I'll show you. Yeah. Chat, my strategy is so good that even in London session, you can catch beautiful W's. You know what I'm trying to say, chat? Comprehendo? What's the email? My email. Listen, that's the email. Those of you guys asking about the email. Someone texted me 30-second time frame is cooking. Anyways, like I'm saying, London session, hella clean. Everything we do, clean, hella clean. Let's see, gold. Gold is we're waiting on gold. Gold. If we go to the 5-minute on gold, what do we have? Just waiting. Anyways, guys, look, we've taken. I need everyone to like up the stream right now. Like up the stream real quick. Like it up. Like it up. Like it up. Hamuzi, low key, needs a little bit of a nap right now. I'm gonna be honest with you. I need a little bit of a nap. I did sleep very late yesterday, so I'm gonna take a nap. We did very good. Good job, guys. I have meetings upon meetings upon meetings that I have to check. I have to check my email. If you guys are interested in the one-on-one, here's my email. It is currently closed, but I can consider everything. If you guys want to get an account for AquaFunded, use code AquaTV. Get yourself an account. I do need a power nap. Very, very important. Considering my stomach is empty right now. So I love you guys. Take care. Have a beautiful day. Make sure to leave a like, blah, 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 all that stuff. Take care, guys. Peace out. And I feel like the people in the Signal group is probably gonna catch a W, guys. They're probably gonna catch a W. By the time I wake up, I'm gonna send them a trade for PM session. So if you're still not in it, make sure you're in it. Because last time I left the stream, I think it was Thursday or whatever, everyone took a W because I sent it on the group. So if you're still not in the group, make sure to join the group. I love you guys. Take care. Discount code AquaFunded. And then use code AquaTV for the discount code. Love you guys. Peace out.